Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. And I thought I'd do this video today as I'm actively doing the EU DX contest. So I've scheduled this one to be released this morning for you guys who are not involved with the EU contest. So the other day I released a video on OpenHamClock, and I told you in the video that there's going to be rapid changes coming, and there already is a whole bunch of changes. Let's go and have a look and see what has changed with OpenHamClock since I just did my first video just a couple days ago. All right, so if you don't know how to get to OpenHamClock, just go to OpenHamClock.com in your browser and go ahead and set it up for the first time. If you don't know how to set it up, go back and watch my previous video, but I'm going to assume you are using this application now. And even in just the last couple of days, today is February the 6th when I'm recording this. The video will go out February 7th. And I bet you even between now recording and tomorrow, February 7th when it's released, there may be some other changes. Stay up to speed with what's going on here, because again, this stuff is moving fast and furious. All right, so what has changed? So let's go to my computer and have a look. So one of the things that has changed since the last video, now we're on version 3.14.5. I have changed the presentation to be more modern using the light. I think I'm using the dockable presentation. I think that's what it is, dockable. But you'll see there's a PayPal setting here. So now you can click on that and donate to Christopher Headington via PayPal. If you click on settings, again, I'm using the dockable version and the light theme. All the other information stays the same. I don't know if I can use retro. Let's go see if I can click on retro and keep it in dockable. Does that give me an opportunity to move stuff around? Yes, it does. So I can continue to use my retro theme that I like while having the dockable mode. The dockable mode is real simple. It just allows you to select a window. So say I want to, change this here. I'm going to make this my location. I don't like how this is viewable here. I can't really read it. I got to figure out how to change that text, if it's even doable. I don't know what I can do there. I can add a panel like an analog clock right there. I like that a lot better. I like old school kind of clocks versus digital. I can go in, now it tells me all panels are visible, so I can't add any new panels. I'm sure there'll be more stuff to come. But you know what? Let's see, look at here. I got POTA here. Maybe I want to take something and fill up this space on the right-hand side here. So I can click on, that's the wrong one. Click on, let's see, I want to change to contest, because again, I'm a big contester. I can take contest, drag it over here and drop it right in there. Drag that down because I don't want to see the whole thing there, just to a point like that. So there you go. I got my cluster and I got my contest there now. I still have POTA activators here. I could change that to be, solar if I want to. I could take POTA out of here. Let's say I want to do this. I want to take solar now. I can take solar, drag it up into this box here and move it around if I want. Or, keep that as DXpeditions. Let's say I want to take solar and just drag it down to the bottom here. I can do that. So now I have my DXpeditions. I don't need that to be so big. I can drag that up. I can keep my band conditions here or change that back to POTA. Now I can slide this over a bit more to give me a little bit more screen real estate there for POTA. I have my sun here. Again, I'm not big on looking at the sun, so I can just close this down if I want to, or keep it visible, or move it to full screen if I really wanted to. I can't add, obviously all my panels are visible now, so I can't even add a new panel. But I can adjust this anyway now. It's pretty cool. I'm sure it's going to get better as it goes. One of the things I did notice since the first version is that these locations now on the map are getting better. Before we were getting like Zulu Victors down here that are Brazil and South Africa. So I'm not sure where they're pulling the DX information from, but it looks like it's a little bit better now. So it's getting there. It's getting there. So there's a quick update on OpenHamClock. Check it out. Again, things are going to keep changing. It's happened. It's either be happening fast and furious here. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Stay tuned to this channel. I'll add more OpenHamClock stuff as I see changes coming. But right now, dockable seems to be the latest features. I'm sure more to come. Talk to y'all later, guys.